Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to generate your USI device key, which is required for creating and verifying USIs through aXcelerate. Note that throughout this video we have used grey boxes to protect the privacy of one of our users who was kind enough to let us record this video using their login details. To begin, search Device AUSkey ABR into Google and select the top result. I've also included the link in the description. Next, scroll to the bottom and select the yellow AUSkey Manager button. You should be taken to the ABR Credential Manager. If you are not redirected here, try repeating the same steps in another browser or an incognito window if using Chrome or Firefox. Your credentials should be pre-filled here. Otherwise, click the link in the warning message underneath. Next, press the Continue button on the right. The next page will display your business details. To continue, choose Register for Device AUSkey. Please ensure you do not choose Register New AUSkeys, as that will create the wrong kind of file. Next, enter a device name. It does not matter what you enter, as long as it is different from any other device names you already have. Once complete, press Next. You will need to select a custodian for this device key. You will need to be able to access their email account to continue. Select the custodian by choosing Select in the left column. Once that's done, press Next. Now you should be on a declaration page. Continue by pressing Submit on the right. To check this has worked correctly, click Next again. Your device should now appear underneath your business and personal details. You will now need to open the email account of the custodian. You should have received an email similar to this one. If you're having trouble locating the email, ensure you wait a few minutes, and also check your spam folder. To continue, click on the highlighted link to install the AUSkey. You may now need to enter a captcha code. After submitting, verify the details are correct on the following page, and then choose Next. Ensure the top option is selected, and then press Browse. It should autofill the file path similar to what is shown on screen. Press Next and enter a password. Ensure you remember this password, as it will need to be entered into aXcelerate's system settings. We recommend using a brand new, easy to remember password in case it needs to be shared with our support team for troubleshooting. After choosing Next, the file should be downloaded to your computer. Next, open the Windows key by clicking the icon in the bottom left corner. Search %appdata% and open the folder. Locate the AUSkey folder within here, and then look for keystore-device.xml. Sorting the view by date added may make it easier. Right-click this file and open with Notepad or a similar text editor. Your file should look similar to this one. First, open the Find menu using Ctrl or Command F. Type in credential type. There should be a result returned. It's important the file reads credential type equals D. If the value reads as the letter U, it means the file is a user key and not a device key, and will not work with integration. If this is the case, repeat the previous steps and ensure the correct Register for Device Key button is pressed. Next, search for Not Before in the Find menu. Take note of the date immediately after this word. Repeat the search for Not After, and once again, take note of the date. It's important that we are within the date range this key is active for. If it has expired, you've likely opened an older key. I'd recommend deleting this one and re-downloading it. If the key is valid, select the whole key by pressing Ctrl or Command A and then copy it. Back in aXcelerate, mouse over the Settings menu and choose System Settings. Go to the RTO/vet settings and scroll all the way to the bottom. Select the checkbox Update Credentials for USI Integration. In the large text box, paste the file we've just copied. It may be a good idea to press the Update button just above and enter your password again. Next, press Save Vet Settings. Finally, scroll back to the bottom of the page and click Test Connection.